Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve question number 16 of HackerRank SQL Challenge, that is weather observation station 11. So the question is, query the list of city names from a station that either do not start with vowel or do not end with vowel. Your result can't contain duplicate. So we have to query city name, distinct city name that do not either start with vowel or do not start with end with vowel. So here we will write select distinct city from station where left of city comma 1 not in so I'm just again copy control C control V, so that do not start with vowel or that do not end with vowel. So write city comma 1 not in, again control C control V, that do not ends with vowel, and finally we will write this. So the query is select a distinct city from station where the first character do not start with vowel or the right city comma 1 last character do not end with vowels. Now let's click on this run code button, and here we can see that our answer is right, and we can click on the submit code. And so thank you for watching this video.